I have found Slim to be of great use in my practice. Initially, I was skeptical, as most of us are. I had to read all the research, and I was fortunate enough to find that this company has actually researched it over 20 years. It has been researched at major universities, including Stanford, Cleveland Clinic, and many others. The patients come back very grateful that they've been introduced to a product that can help them be healthy, stay healthy, and reduce their cardiovascular risk factors. Apart from losing the weight, her numbers had improved dramatically. She felt more energetic, healthier, she had more confidence. And so I felt I'd done more than just reduce some numbers. I'd given my patient a new outlook on life. It has helped support my practice with the current climate of cuts in reimbursement. We found it very difficult to maintain a practice on the financial aspects. And I believe this is something that should be introduced to doctors' offices as a way of truly helping your patients while supporting your practice financially.